Go. Hi guys, welcome to the Bright Planning channel. This is Bright, the accounting guy. Today we'll be discussing how to start a side hustle. So basically this video is for people that want to just basically get into business. You're not too sure how to start, whether you are an employee or you're not employed. This is just really a great video to help you, through the process of starting your business. So we have 6 easy steps which I will be guiding you through. There will be some guides, some links to help you basically execute this at the end of the day, and hopefully by the end of this video you'll be able and ready to start your business. So let's get to it, right? Okay. Step 1, idea. It's very important to conceptualize your idea. Basically, the best way to do this, we use the business model canvas. So the business model canvas has 9 blocks. At this step, we're going to use 7 out of the 9 blocks. So the first out of the 7 will be the value proposition, where you're basically describing your offering and the type of pains and the gains that you're providing to your client, or the pains that you relieving your client, and the gains that you're giving to your client by virtue of them accessing your product or your service. Next block will be the customer segment. This is basically you describing your target market and profiling your customer, your ideal customer. The next block will be your channels. This is basically how your value proposition will get to your clients. So this could be just any method of how you basically market towards the client. And then you talk about your key relationships. Now this is how you maintain relationships in terms of your overall service, because you don't want to just meet clients at the beginning and then at the end of the day it's goodbye and you're done, right? So you need to address that point. And then the 5th block will be your key assets. This is obviously things that you're going to be using in a business to help you deliver the service. And then the 6th will be your key partners. This could be suppliers, certain stakeholders, business partners, and so on. Just anyone you're going to be partnering to help you deliver this business. And then the last one, which will be the 7th one for this step, will be the key activity. So this is basically some sort of an operational plan on the activities that ensure that how do you get your idea / business to keep on moving. How do you keep it moving, right? And that's basically step 1. All of that is going to help us to conceptualize this idea. Step number 2, we look at the income and expenses, right? So this is where we look at the last 2 blocks of the business model canvas, which is the revenue streams and the cost considerations. So under revenue streams, we basically try to understand how the business will be making money. If your business has one revenue stream, that will be it. But obviously you want to identify all the revenue streams and understand how your business will make money. Is it one stream, multiple streams, and basically quantify those aspects, because you also want to understand exactly how each of these revenue streams is going to contribute to the business. And then lastly will be the cost consideration. So here basically we look at operational costs, we look at the variable costs, we look at your fixed costs. So all of the costs that are going to be needed monthly and annual to help you manage your business. Some businesses will have more variable or more fixed. It really depends. So don't get too frustrated by that. Just try to quantify as much cost. Some costs will be once off, some costs will be regular. So at this stage, try to flesh out all the costs involved. Now, once done with that, we move on to step 3. Step 3, we look at marketing and distribution. Now, it's very important for the business to know what it's offering, to know what it can expect in terms of revenue, in terms of profitability, and know exactly the cost of sale or the cost of service, so that when you start going to the market, you are not debating these things. You know exactly what's your position, and the only thing that you want to do is just take it to the client. So basically, that's where we're going to look at marketing distribution. So depending on the type of business, marketing distribution can be very, very, it could be very unique for business to business. Some people, especially online, which is the best way to start nowadays, using online platforms will be the best way for you to distribute. Whether you're going to use a website, you're going to use social media, it's really up to how your business is set up, and based on what you've done in step 1 and 2, it will advise you how to basically go about it in terms of your marketing and distribution. So here it's as simple as that. How does your business get from the offering to the client, right? So the best way you could get more information about this in terms of the BMC, it will be between your key channels at I think that's the step number 3 or step number 4. That will be the best way and how for you to deliver your business. And then lastly, or step number 4 actually, step number 4, we talk about your one-page business plan. So it's very important to round up everything, especially from step 1 to 4, so that you know exactly where you're standing. You know exactly what your business looks like on paper. This is very, very wonderful if maybe you're looking to get funding, or you're looking to introduce your idea. You just want to, you're seeking some sort of validation. You want people to contribute to your idea, or people just to, say this is a good idea, this is a bad idea, whatever the case may be. It's just for you to see everything as a big picture. Nice one-page business plan. There's a link for you to go download on our website, this one-page business plan template. So work through that so that your business is nicely summarized and you know exactly what you're doing so that you can proceed. Step number 5, you're looking to start. It's very important to start. Stop procrastinating. Do what you have planned, act on the plan, and don't wait for the perfect moment, because the perfect moment is now. The minute you stop watching this video, start your business. Start your planning, start your business, act on it. Do not wait for the perfect time, because at the end of the day, there is no perfect time. There is no such thing as perfect time. Yes, businesses work on seasonality, but at the end of the day, the best businesses work above seasonality, because at the end of the day, it's all about presence. The minute your business becomes present, people start reacting to what you're offering, and that's how at the end of the day business will start rolling. So do not be dismayed or discouraged when you start something and there's nothing happening. The good thing is you have started, and then you'll go on as the market dictates, as you figure out how to navigate business success. So please start, execute after you've done all those the previous steps. Do not procrastinate and wait for the perfect moment. There's no perfect moment, just start. Then step number 6, which is the optional step, you look at funding sources. Now, if you have some savings, there'll be a very good way for you to start the business by using that startup capital. You can start businesses without income or without capital. It's very possible. You just have to be honest with yourself. You just have to come to the consensus that there are certain things that you can do without, and you work towards them if you really, really need them. But at the end of the day, this goes back to step number 5. Just start. You'll figure everything out as you go, because the wonderful thing is you have your plan. Your plan is written down. Your plan is guiding you. You know what you are missing. You know what you don't have. So therefore, use what you have. Simple as that. And yeah, and that's it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. At the end of the day, Bright Planning is here to help the bright guys out there. Contact me, visit our website, like, comment, share this video, please, guys. Your support will be highly appreciated. We're going to be definitely distributing more content your way. We're going to be following up this video with the advanced version, whereby we'll talk about formal registration, tools, tips, tricks of the industry or business, whatever you want to call it, just to really help you push on and not just survive but thrive at the end of the day. And it's very important that this happens, because small businesses are the backbone of the economy. So at the end of the day, we're gonna be in this together. Let's do this, guys. See you on the next one, guys. Really appreciate it. Bye. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please support us by subscribing to the channel and liking this video, and don't forget to click on the bell for notification of future videos. Lastly, get your free ticket to the Accounting and Finance Show happening on the 6th to the 7th of May 2019. I will be there as a speaker talking business and accounting. Link below to get your free ticket. Book now.